India's journey toward becoming a developed nation is not limited to education and research, it is progressing just as rapidly in core infrastructure sectors such as roads, electricity, and railways. Odisha has been granted railway projects worth over 1,700 crore rupees. These include the foundation stone laying of Sambalpur City Sarla Flyover worth 273 crore rupees, the 34-kilometer Koraput Biguda line worth 481 crore rupees, and the 82-kilometer Manabar Koraput Gorakhpur railway line doubling project worth 955 crore rupees, which is being dedicated to the nation. In addition, the Brahmapur Udhna, Surat, Amrit Bharat Express will also be launched. Together, all these projects will give Odisha a new identity and accelerate the pace of development in the state.